You join us here on a cold and crisp morning, but that's not going to dampen ourselves. We've got a really nice, cool looking X5. Although it's got the M Performance kit on it, or at least the M Sport kit, it's still lacking a bit. So we're going to change that, and we're going to lob some Maxton design body kits on this car and make it look like it should have the aggression it should have rolled out of the factory with. See you guys shortly. Enjoy this. The car's now on the ramp. I wasn't sure whether this thing would actually fit inside and actually be able to get much clearance, but it has, so we're ready to roll. Let me show you the parts before we get into this one. So we've got a chunky front splitter here, which is a twin element. We've then got these great big side skirts, which I'm sure you guys probably could have figured out, followed by a rear diffuser and a rear boot lip. Although this is actually quite a big piece. It's not just a small lip spoiler, it's actually a replacement part almost. So we're going to get on with this one. Don't worry about the finish too much at the moment because it's got protective film on it, so it stops it from being scratched. Wait till the end of the video. We're going to take this over to our favourite photography spot and we're going to do a little bit of a product rundown at the end. So wait till the end to see the end result. This thing's going to look like a beast. See you in a sec. So it looks like we're in a different day almost. It was sunny this morning, now it's dreary and it's just British weather. But what won't dampen our moods is this car finish with the Maxton Designs kit on. It looks fantastic. I must admit, I wasn't too sure how gloss black would look on this particular car, but yeah, it looks really aggressive. I absolutely love the way this one stands now. So the only thing the customer's going to do is put some satin black wheels on this, which is going to be the icing on the cake. But the front splitter, just to go through, this is a twin element. So you've got the main front splitter here, and you've got a lower section that's effectively gives it a little bit more of a mesh style look at the front end. I'm going to take you when I walk around this puddle to the back side and talk about that. So the side skirts again add quite a bit more aggression. It lowers the stance of the car. This actually has air suspension, so we've dropped it down for this particular shot, so it gives a bit more of effect. But the skirts are quite an aggressive part. They actually fit really well. There's only one place it locates, there's no guesswork. But you've got this little bit of an up flick on the back section, which almost is a little bit M Performance style. As a whole, I really like it. Lends to the rest of the car. The back end, again, massive aggression. I love this top sort of cap, if you like, that goes over the existing boot spoiler tray. This again is a nice part. It actually blends really well into all the gloss black sections already on there, so it looks like it could actually be a factory fit part. I just like this style myself. It gives, again, a little bit more of an M Performance style where you've got those horns on a lot of M cars. I really like that, I dig it. Moving on to the rear diffuser, this is possibly my favourite part of the whole car actually. It's, yeah, looks low. You've got these Venturis, these 4 in the middle, which give it a bit more sort of style and stance, and it wraps around from side to side on the bumper as well. If you look on the rear quarters, come on over Tim, don't be shy, you've got a very similar style to the side skirt where you've got this up flick or this up swept section. Again, just lends to the whole M Performance look-in type part. So as much of this is aftermarket, it still does look quite OEM or OEM plus, and that's what I quite like about this kit. It's not silly money, and it actually looks really good installed. So as a whole, fitted really well. We had our own sort of style of fitting this, which is kind of what Maxton recommend, with a lot of bolts rather than just slapping some sealant on and self-tapping screws. This has been a bit more engineered than maybe some body kits or maybe some installers would. So this has taken more time than maybe some people would be doing. But the main thing for us is we're happy with this being installed in the way it has. It's made to last. It's not going to come off, I can say that much for certainty. And if you do need to remove it for whatever reason, it's not stuck on with horrible sealant. So yeah, as a whole, great fitment, and overall very happy with the part. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. If you do fancy any Maxton design parts yourself, don't hesitate to get in touch. They offer a huge range of different parts for all different types of manufacturers and cars. So whether it is a BMW X5, a Mini, i3, whether it be a Japanese car or even American car, they do offer a lot of different body kits and body styling. So again, thanks for watching. If you can, give us a like and subscribe. Always really helpful, and we'll see you next time. Who knows what we'll have in store. See you then.